Okay, everyone. I've figured out an issue, and it's some of the configuration issues that were given to us is incorrect. So, what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to do it first. Then I will send you the actual correct um, commands for this. I'll send it in a file as well, so you can have a look at it. But I managed to get this working. So this is the server side, and the correct configuration correct command is hts forward port localhost colon 23 80 80. Okay, so the localhost, that's the IP address of the server. You don't need to put the server IP address. In fact, that's causing issues. On the other side, okay, by the way, on the server, notice how I've got the telnet port number as 23 after the colon, and the 8080, which is a HTTP protocol. I put that out after that port number. So this is a key difference. On the client side, I've configured it as HTC forward port 2323, which is the alternative port number for telnet, and the IP address for the server with the colon 8080. So that's the server. Okay, so that's not the client, that is the server. Okay. Now, I'm going to go back to the server, fire up Wireshark. Okay. Then I'm going to telnet to the client's IP address. I'm telnetting myself. I know it sounds weird, but that HTC, that command is saying that if you get a request to go to this port number, okay, to that port number, which is 2323, if you get a request like that, forward it off to the server, which we've configured here, forward it to that. So it's like, if you put that there, then we're going to forward it to this address, and we're going to tunnel it. If you don't do that, what will happen is it will send it via telnet. Okay, so let's do that now. Great. So let's log in, put the password, user. Okay, in the packet tracer capture, you will notice, oh, this is wonderful. You'll notice, and hopefully that you should hopefully be able to see this. We've got it as the port number 8080 to that ephemeral port number, which is ever changing. What this means is that even though we're telnetting, that telnet session is being masked or being hidden, it's in a tunnel, and all we can see is an 8080 traffic. If we right click and follow the stream, TCP stream, you'll notice that, actually let's get another one. No, same thing. Get high up a bit. You know what I've done? This is a previous one. Okay, let's try that again. Okay, so it's still going now. So right click, follow TCP stream, and there we go. So this is what we're being sent. This is what we can see. We're capturing. It's actually HTTP traffic. It's not telnet traffic, and that's the key thing here. Even it looks like the password's even not available, not even showing. There's another way, I'm pretty sure. Okay, so that's working now. Now let's have a look at what would happen if, okay, so we're going to exit that telnet. Let's see what happens if we telnetted into that server without using that port 2323, without that. Let's have a look now. Okay, so we're in there at the moment. I have to scroll down in our Wireshark. All right, looks like it's still being tunneled, so that's a good thing. All right, good. All right, no problems. So you didn't even need to put that 23. But anyway, what we're going to do is I'm going to telnet directly without going to, I'm going to telnet to the remote server, not to the client, through the tunneling. So we're going to not tunnel. We'll see what happens when we don't tunnel. I actually forgot the IP address. Okay. 163.154. Okay. Well, let's see what, not packet tracer, sorry, Wireshark. Let's see what Wireshark shows us. I think I said packet tracer before. Okay, now by telnetting directly, check this out. Okay, it's communicating via the telnet protocol. Okay, so this is not being tunneled. Look at the difference between the two commands. Telnet via, actually 1 second, let me escape that. Get some real estate here. Let's look at both of these. If we telnet to, so this is on the client. If I telnet to myself, to the client, but I use 2323, that will, because we've configured that tunnel, anytime I do that, it will automatically send me to the server via the tunnel. And then all that we can see is the HTTP traffic, not telnet. We can't see telnet traffic on Wireshark. But if we try to log on directly with telnet without the tunnel, then we will see telnet traffic. Really interesting. So I'm going to send you along with this video, the commands. And yeah, I'm sorry about that. I had to do a lot of research and look into it and find out what was going on there. I actually worked, I just found out that this is the commands that for the step-by-step procedure just doesn't work all the time. But this one should work. I've tested it on my own lab at home and on the iCloud lab. Sorry, the Azure labs. Any questions, please ask me in the discussion group or email me directly. But thanks everyone for your patience and yeah, enjoy.